welcome to the Northland. Today's video is another step to this new project we're doing. In fact, I kind of give it away in the video, so that is if you haven't already figured it out. By the time you get to that point, it's early yet, so my voice and I can't talk very well. But anyway, sit back, watch the video. I'll see you at the end, and I'm really excited for this, so check it out. All right, so the boys are on their way. It'll be a late night for them, I guess. This is going to be the last time that this looks like this. And no, that is not done yet. Just wait, we got something cool coming up. Here we are, we're making progress. Guys are working hard. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And they were so thoughtful. I was afraid we were going to really tear up the yard. And the only spot they tore up was right there. So they did a fantastic job trying to keep everything nice, and of course it's beaten down, but that's okay. Nothing a rake won't fix. So these guys are awesome. Again, we're using Aroura Asphalt and concrete, same people who did my driveway. And I'll tell you what, I've got nothing but good things to say about these guys. Finishing touches. This is going to be so cool. All right, brother. Thank you, Aurora. You guys are awesome. So here's how awesome these guys are, this company. They even fluffed up my grass for me and fixed that little spot that they had dug out accidentally. Look at that. I mean, you know, other companies, they would have just said, well, that's the nature of the beast, so take it or leave it. But that's awesome. So we got fiberglass rebar, which is supposed to be better and stronger than steel. I guess there's less rust, and well, obviously fiberglass doesn't rust, but and if it were steel, the electrician would have to ground it and all kinds of, maybe I'm not correct, but he said if it was steel, he would have to do something special. So I suppose because of the water and the electricity and all that was steel, I don't know. Anyway, I'm not an electrician, so. But concrete's coming, and it's going to get poured tomorrow. And then that'll be another step down. One more closer. All right, the guys are hard at work.
Haven't started the fun stuff yet.
What's that?
Haven't started the fun stuff yet.
Oh, I'll come back and get you doing that.
Yeah.
Here are the master concrete guys making our pad for the hot tub. And like I said, if you live in Minnesota, go with Aroura Asphalt and Concrete. These guys do fabulous work. So, all right, we'll come back and we'll get some more later. There's the truck with all the magic, and guys setting up to have some concrete flow. All right, let's go see if we got some magic sauce flowing yet. Okay, we got the magic stuff flowing here. That's going to take a few wheelbarrows, isn't it?
I should have brought the power buggy. I didn't.
It'll make you earn it today. Another check. They're still pouring the magic sauce into our thing here. So let's see what we got. Look at that. Wow. It's looking good.
Still gotta work out when I get home.
Wow, that's gonna be nice. All right, these guys are rocking. All right, so I hope you liked that video. Like I said, it was just something short, and I will video the next stage probably when they get the hot tub in. But yeah, so if you live in Minnesota, or at least in the Twin Cities area, definitely I recommend using Aroura Asphalt and Concrete. These guys, I'll tell you what, they knock it out of the park every time. Driveway turned out fabulous. This cement pad is fabulous, and they take care in your property too. They don't just tear stuff up just because they can. So I have no complaints from anything that they've done, either on this project or excuse me, on the past projects. So check them out. Make sure you, if you don't live in Minnesota, you know, definitely do your homework, because like I said, companies like this, you know, there's a certain amount of damage that you kind of have to accept, right? Like I figured they're going to tear the hell out of the yard. Just comes with the territory, right? But they did a good job at minimizing that damage and then trying to repair what they could. So I really suspect that there are a lot of companies out there that wouldn't even go to that level of care. So you know, make sure you check out your whoever you could have do the work for you. So anyway, I'll shut up now. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, even if you did not like the video. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with somebody, anybody, especially if they're going to have some concrete or asphalt work done. They might be interested in something here that maybe they didn't think of. So, all right. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you stayed this long. I would like everyone to welcome Patrick Wagner to the channel. So thank you, sir. And I'll take this opportunity also to thank all my subscribers. I appreciate every one of you. This is what drives me to keep doing these week after week, is to hope that you will stick with me and find a little nugget in here somewhere that you can take away and maybe carry with you through life or something. I don't know. If there's something any of you would like to see, please comment below. Let me know. I'm kind of running, of course, we're nearing the end of summer, so I don't know how much the Judge stuff we'll have left. I know we have a car show and a cruise coming up. Other than that, I'm not sure. So that's it for now. I'll stop. I'll shut up. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.